Here are the top 20 most romantic Turkish series you need to watch, stories that'll make you cry, smile, and fall in love all over again. Starting with number 1. Yazgi, The Faith. The series follows Dunya and Umut, who were switched at birth due to a mix-up at the hospital. Unbeknownst to them, their entire lives have been shaped by this event, with each growing up in the wrong family. Years later, their paths cross, and Umut falls in love with Dunya. However, when the truth about their swap is revealed, both families are forced to confront the shocking reality that their lives have been built on a lie. As Umut's secret identity comes to light, he faces a difficult choice between his love for Dunya and his loyalty to his family. The story explores themes of identity, love, and fate, as the characters navigate the fallout from their families' intertwined destinies. Yazgi is a captivating drama that follows the story of two babies switched at birth, leading to emotional turmoil as they grow up unaware of the truth. Erkin Meriç's portrayal of Umut is a standout, with his calm yet intense acting bringing depth to the series. The chemistry between Meriç and Yağmur Öztürk adds a romantic tension that keeps viewers hooked. With its mix of suspense, romance, and family drama, the series is both engaging and thought-provoking. Number 2. Ego. Elif, Rüya Helin Demirbulut, and Erhan, Alperen Duymaz, are an engaged couple who love each other very much, and their biggest expectation from life is to get married and build a happy home. The routine of their lives is disrupted by Erhan's tragic deception, and Erhan is faced with a debt that is very difficult to pay. Their lives and psychology will be turned upside down with this news they receive on one of Erhan's business trips. While debt, which is almost impossible to pay, has turned their lives into a nightmare, the offer made by Erhan's boss Sibel, Melisa Asılpamuk, will change their lives forever. Number 3. Rüzgarlı Tepe. Zeynep is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zeynep. Before we go any further, a humble request, please give this video a like. Thanks. Number 4. Veda Mektubu. Al-Noor, a modern businesswoman, and Ziya, a traditional businessman from Antakya, were deeply in love in the past. Their families opposed their love, causing them to unintentionally separate and move on. Mehmet, Ziya's eldest son and a student, plans to quit his job one day. Meanwhile, Asıl, Al-Noor's lively 19-year-old daughter, is a dance enthusiast who carefully plans her future. After many years, Al-Noor and Ziya's paths cross again through the love blossoming between Asıl and Mehmet. Number 5. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak tells a compelling love story of Kadir, played by Furkan Andik, and Asli, played by Burcu Kiratli, who share an unforgettable love, but it's tested when Kadir is wrongly jailed for Asli's father's murder. To clear his name and get back at the Varnali family, Kadir fights against betrayal. When the truth comes out, their love sparks again, but old secrets endanger their chance at lasting happiness. It is a well-written series, which will captivate you with its stellar cast and compelling storyline, blending suspense, romance, and exceptional performances. Number 6. Tatsız Prenses. Tatsız Prenses follows the story of Masal, a resilient 9-year-old facing the hardships of life in Istanbul, where her mother's life-threatening heart condition and her cruel stepfather leave her with no choice but to raise funds for her mother's surgery through any means necessary. However, Masal's life takes a transformative turn when she encounters her compassionate new teacher, Evgen, who sees beyond her tough exterior. With Evgen's guidance, Masal rediscovers her inner warmth and beauty, impacting those around her positively. Yet, amidst the happiness she spreads, Masal's own pursuit of a fairy tale ending remains uncertain. It is one of my favorite Turkish series, and I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 7. Safir. Safir is the most recent Turkish series of Özge Yağız, where we see the story, which revolves around the Gülsoy family, based in Cappadocia. Their lives are shaken by a tragic event, prompting the return of the eldest son, Ateş, from America. Ateş, who had distanced himself due to family conflicts, returns at his mother's request to help run the family business with his brothers, Yaman and Okan. Yaman plans to propose to his longtime love, Feraye, Özge Yağız, but a devastating incident on Feraye's birthday disrupts their plans, as Yaman has accidentally hit the mafia leader's son into coma. Feraye's stepmother is the only witness of this incident, so she forces Yaman to marry her daughter Alina, Feraye's stepsister, otherwise she will tell the truth to the mafia leader. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 8. Hudutsuz Sevda. Hudutsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizvan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizvan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizvan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizvan's criminal operations, including Rizvan's daughter Zeynep. Zeynep wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zeynep's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 9. Kralis. The show is about Ates, a famous basketball player, and his wife Deniz. They're happy until Ates is caught up in a scandal. The story is about how they deal with problems. The actors are great. The story is exciting but also frustrating when Gökhan messes up. It is a short 13-episode series and talks about family, relationships, and issues in Turkish society like cheating and family ties. Number 10. Ali. Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Devin, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Devin can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Devin's path. Can Devin fix Aslan's issues, even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 11. Kismet. Kismet, or Destination, is a fun romantic comedy Turkish series, which revolves around Doğan, a lawyer, and Melike, who is his neighbor. Both of them deeply love each other since they were only 5 years old, but they never express their love for each other. On Doğan's wedding, Melike came on a motorbike and kidnaps him. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. This is a beautiful Turkish series, which is full of comedy and romance. Number 12. Ateş Kuşları. Most street children do not reach the age of 20. It cannot be said that those who saw it lived. Drugs, violence, sexual harassment, hunger. The fate of street children is either prison or grave. 8th Scholar will highlight the fate of 5 of these children, the self-dubbed Koksuzlar, who managed to resist this fate. Their story, which began the day they discovered a 40-day-old baby in a garbage dump, will change from that day onwards, and we, as viewers, will follow the transformation of these 5 street children, from Koksuzlar to 8th Scholar. 8th Scholar will make us question what it means to be a family while highlighting the struggle of families not connected to each other not by blood, but by life ties, in a hopeful language. Number 13. Bambashka Biri. Bambashka Biri is the most recent series of Burak Deniz and Hande Ershel, which centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kenan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kenan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. Number 14. Ezaret. Redemption. Ezaret follows Orun's vengeful journey after his sister's death in Eritrea. He saves Hira, who unintentionally contributed to her demise, and brings her to Istanbul for torment instead of death. Hira, a former captive, now lives as a prisoner in Orun's home, desperate to prove her innocence. The series delves into their complex relationship as Orun grapples with revenge, exploring themes of redemption and forgiveness within their shared pain. Number 15. Love Makes You Cry. Ada, a 19-year-old from a remote village, has spent her letter from her late mother. Yusuf, a hitchhiker who finds the letter, learns of Ada's plight and, moved by her story, decides to help her. He travels to her village, returns the letter, and persuades Ada to escape with him to Istanbul. With nothing but hope and the support of Yusuf, Ada begins her new life in the bustling city. As they face various challenges and adapt to a new world, their bond grows, leading Ada to discover her strength and self-worth, while Yusuf and Ada build a future together, overcoming both personal and external obstacles. Number 16. Zemheri. Zemheri is a compelling drama revolving around Firuzeh and Ayaj, two young individuals from poor families who fall deeply in love. However, their love faces unforeseen challenges, and Ayaj makes a difficult decision to protect his family, sacrificing their relationship. After 2 years of separation, their paths cross again when Firuzeh's father faces false accusations in a construction site accident. As Firuzeh seeks to prove her father's innocence, she encounters Ayaj, who plays a crucial role in the case. The series delves into themes of love, sacrifice, forgiveness, and the pursuit of justice. Zemheri is a Turkish series with a gripping love story and outstanding performances. The chemistry between Firuzeh and Ayaj is captivating, making it a must-watch for fans of romance and drama. And I will highly recommend you all to watch this series. Number 17. Tintiklari. Tintiklari tells the compelling tale of Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, it becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. Number 18. Yeslicham. In the 1960s golden age of Turkish cinema, Semih Ateş, a determined film producer, faces betrayal and opens a new company, Büyük Ateş Film. Struggling to compete in a highly competitive industry, he seeks success after a setback. Encountering his ex-wife Mine, a popular actress secretly dating his rival Reha, Semih convinces her to join his film. Meanwhile, his partner Hakan discovers aspiring actress Tulin, and Semih decides to cast her alongside Mine. Tulin, however, brings unexpected changes to Semih's life, revealing her aspirations and the challenges she faced growing up. According to me, Yeşilçam's attention to historical accuracy, rich character development, and a captivating storyline make it an absolute delight to watch, offering a nostalgic journey into the glitz and glamour of Yeşilçam. Link for Yeşilçam is given in the description section. Number 19. Adini Sen Koi. The story of Adini Sen Koi revolves around Omar, a rich businessman, and Zehra, working-class girl. Both of them belonged from two completely different worlds. Omar offers Zehra to marry him in exchange of money, and sooner they get into a contract marriage for 6 months under a secret agreement. Despite their distaste for each other, both of them have to maintain the happily married couples act for Omar's family while hiding everything from Zehra's family. Omar treats Zehra like a slave and have a cruel behavior towards her. But later this hate converts into a beautiful love story. Number 20. Kara Para Aşk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Which one stole your heart the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another love-filled recommendation.